On this job, we're installing trench drains, modified drain boxes. As you can see how this drain box is modified, a lot of holes in it. This makes the drain box infinitely more functional than if you don't modify it. These modified drain boxes go in line with the trench drain. And we're also going to use solid pipe in conjunction with regrading. All this soil you see here is all fill dirt, which has an advantage over topsoil in that it does not settle nearly as much as screen topsoil. But of course, we're going to put screen topsoil on the surface. And you see, this is where the trench drain is going to go, and the solid pipe. Now the trench drain over here, it's perforated PVC surrounded by clean gravel and filter fabric. Now the filter fabric wraps completely around the pipe. And now we're going to have decorative river stone on the surface. This one downspout's tied in. We have another modified drain box over here. A second downspout is tied in. When we're finished, we're gonna add cement, so it's a nice neat job. But the combination of regrading and the drainage system with both the trench drains and the solid pipe is going to completely solve the drainage issue. And no longer will this property be a lake after a heavy rain. And the solid pipe is going to continue out toward the street. Let's take a look over here. Trench will continue out. As you can see, this trencher, it makes digging a trench quite a bit easier than doing it manually. And the PVC, the solid PVC, will exit the face of the curb when we're finished. Okay, we're back here at the job we did, the drainage job. Several weeks after the drainage system was installed, the grass has germinated. You can see our modified drain box here. The grass is coming in great in the backyard after we trucked in both fill dirt and topsoil. Here's your finished trench drain. And we had a couple of heavy rainstorms since this was done. The customer told me that the system is working extremely well. No longer is there any puddling, anything of the sort. Here's the other modified drain box. You have solid pipe running underground over here, connecting another section of trench drain with the downspout tied in. Another drain box over here. And then another section of solid pipe connecting this downspout. And as we turn around, yeah, the yard is looking great. Okay, so that's just one more job. Soon we'll return here to demo this asphalt and install a paver patio. And the place is looking good. So, the water is efficiently collected, drains out down here. And the more time goes by, the more of this seed is going to germinate and the lawn will thicken up. But as long as I'm here, we're going to spot seed. And here's where all the water drains out. Okay.